Hey guys, welcome. Happy Wednesday, another week. Let's see how everything's gonna play out today. So for today, I only have like a three stocks that I'm watching, and for possible new entries, that would be Meta and Enphase. Because I already have Tesla, I'm still on Nvidia. I'm sorry, I'm still on Tesla, AMD. What else? Apple also. So for today, still watching Apple. I like Netflix if the market is weak. But yeah. So you guys have all my important levels on here on Discord. So for new entry, it will be Meta and Enphase, and I'm just gonna watch how Nvidia, I'm sorry, Tesla, AMD, and Apple are gonna like play out today to see if I want to sell my runners on those plays, or I want to add more, or just sell. So we'll see. But yeah, my main watch, um it's gonna be in Apple because I the past few days, I know you guys have, if you been here on the stream, you guys noticed that I've been watching Apple for the entire market move. So Apple is the one that I've been watching a lot the past few days, and I think I'm gonna keep watching because Apple is moving the market, the entire market. Okay, so I already got notice here. So M phase, you guys know that I'm watching 128. 128 is the level that I want to see M phase holding as support. Tesla, I'm still in runners here and it's looking amazing. AMD also, it is above 108, which is the level that I want to see AMD holding. Morning, morning. Oh, everything's moving really, really fast. I'm gonna need for everything to just calm down a little bit, consolidate. Damn. So the Q is crazy strong. Apple is again holding 178. So I think right now Apple is a good entry there. You can use 178 as support, just exactly the same trade that we took yesterday. Morning, morning. Okay, so yeah, I really like M phase here, but I need some either pullback or some consolidation here because it's up too much. And right now the Q it's at a important level that we need to watch. I'm gonna wait and see because I really like Apple. What it is holding 178 again, so it can be a good opportunity to re-enter here. But I don't like that the Q is at a difficult like level. It's at a very strong resistance. So I wanna see if the Q can break 370, 190, 372. And same with SPY. So let's see if it's gonna break here. But I really like how Apple is looking. It's just that the Q and SPY are at a strong resistance. But look at daily. The daily looks very bullish and is holding 178 again. Meta is above 326, which is an important level here. Morning, morning. Okay, so Apple is looking very strong. I like how a SPY is looking here too. Yeah, I'm gonna enter that SPY. Playing the upside there. Only holding 4. Let's see. Is it Google above 140? If Google is above 140, um, let's see, wait. If SPY can hold VWAP, I'm gonna get out. And I'll be looking to play the rejection on the Q because the Q is it's on a better entry for puts. Everything's possible. Remember, um, trading is not about guessing. We need to wait and see what the market is telling us. If can hold, VWAP is bullish and it's gonna fill the gap above, which is this entire blue area that I have. If rejects the VWAP and loses pre-market this morning low here, yeah, it's gonna fill the gap down. So everything depends here on this level here. Like for me, I was thinking on getting the rejection here on the Q, but it's kind of difficult with Apple looking bullish. Okay, I'm out. I don't like that. Okay, I'm taking end phase 131 weekly. My stop loss is gonna be morning low. Gonna wait a little bit here. I don't know. It's difficult here because I kind of want to play the downside, but Apple is holding 178. It's above 178. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. I feel like if I enter here to play the downside, I'm gonna get stop out. If I enter here to play the upside, I'm gonna get a stop out also. But it's Google doing. Oh yeah, Google's looking bullish. It's above 140. 140 on Google is looking bullish. I'm gonna wait and see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. SPY is holding very good, but I don't know. The Q is extremely weak. I'm gonna go with 2, 3. I'm playing the rejection here. See, my stop loss is gonna be morning high, this morning high. And if I see SPY losing this support here, I'm gonna add more. The Q is looking weaker than SPY, definitely. I think the best play in the morning was play this rejection here on the Q. And SPY is holding, it kind of looks like it's making a flag, but it's an important level of resistance. So let's see which side's gonna win. It's weird because Apple is holding very good. Meta is looking extremely bullish. The Q is weak, but SPY is holding. So I don't know. It's weird. Like on the smaller time frame, SPY looks bullish. But if I see like the daily, it's kind of difficult to play the upside here. Okay, let's see here if it's gonna reject or is gonna hold. I added the Q to the downside here because I think the Q is weaker than the SPY. But right now I don't like either. Yeah, I got out there. If it stopped me, I'm gonna be so mad. Let's see. See if Apple loses 178, the Q is gonna die. So far it's looking bullish. SPY and the Q. Because the Q, yeah, it rejects this important level, but it's holding pre-market high support. So that's bullish. Watch Apple. If Apple loses 178, yeah, Apple loses 178. Um, that's that's very bearish. So it stopped me out here. Okay. Damn. Anybody got Apple puts when it lost 178? Okay. That's good. I want to see the Q losing this morning low here. Let's see if the Q and SPY fill the gap down. So far, the 30-minute candle it's definitely bearish. Apple is extremely weak. Apple is extremely weak. The Meta is holding above 325, 326, which is very bullish. Amazon? What's Amazon doing? Hmm. It looks just like the Q, honestly. It's I don't like this chart. It's choppy. Like the entry is around 131, 132. Like here, I don't know. I like here 132, which is the gap, when the gap starts. That's the level that I'll be watching on Amazon. I'm gonna put an alert there. And phase need to hold morning low, otherwise I'm gonna get out. I don't know. I feel today the market is acting weird because we don't. I don't. So we're not getting like strong continuation, even though it's looking bearish. But I was expecting like a more like solid move. Like the Q right now is holding very good. It's holding pre-market high as support so far. Let's see. I kind of want to. I want to see the Q filling the gap here, and same with the SPY. And Apple could be giving us like a break and retest here. Yeah. I think it's better to just be patient here and just wait. Yeah, just wait and be patient here. We need the Q to lose this morning low here and then pre-market low and fill the gap. So far, this 30-minute candle is looking ugly. Same with SPY. Okay, let's see if M phase is gonna lose this morning low. If it loses that morning low, I'm gonna get out, even though I can see maybe holding 126, but I don't know if I want to give it like time to go down to 126, 125.80. I don't know. Yeah, that 126, 125.80 is the gap fill. So I might give it. Today's Wednesday, so I can give it a little bit of room here to fill the gap. It's up to you guys if you wanna like hold here or you wanna sell if loses pre-market low. Um, or you wanna hold and see how it's gonna react to the gap. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold here. Okay, so now we're just patient and just I'm on the my trade, so I'm just gonna be patient and see what's gonna happen now. So far, it looks like it's gonna keep going lower, but who knows? Yeah, Apple definitely was doing a break and retest here. Mm, mm, mm. I'm gonna sell most of my contracts near the gap fill, and then I'm gonna leave some runners to see if it's gonna go back down to 368.50. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. How are you guys doing? What are you guys trading so far? You make any money? Better than me? Mm, mm, mm. Okay, Microsoft is just dying. Nice. You got it? So I guess I got faked out on Spy, but that was a very good entry. Nice. You play Google calls or puts? Okay, I don't like that Apple is gaining back. Um, 178. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. I wanna see it closing with a rejection to either 178 or the 90 MA. But the Q is looking definitely weaker than Apple. Okay, I like that. Okay, so the gap fill is around 369. Let's see if it's gonna lose this morning low here, this pre-market low here. But I wanna see the Q at 368.50 or 369. But I don't know if that's gonna happen with with Apple holding here. Calls, nice. Yeah, the 140 level, it's an important level on Google. I just don't like how Google move. I guess that was a very fast trade to play Google calls there. Yeah, but I think as long as you can hold 140.75, it's bullish. Or 140. But yesterday high will be very bullish. Okay, I wanna see Apple like rejecting here again. Hmm. Like I don't see a reason why SPY and the Q will not fill the gap down, but both are holding. That it's I don't see like it's a good move on the market. Like I don't like how it's moving. But it's still making lower highs and lower lows, so that's bearish. I just don't like that Apple is holding 178. It's fighting there too much. Mm, Very slow morning, like extremely slow morning. I'm doing pretty good, thank you. I had a very, like this week, it's been very, very good to me. Yeah, it's been very, very good. Yesterday was good with both options and futures. Today's Monday was bad with futures, but it was very, very good with options. And today, so far, it's I'm on end phase. I'm definitely down on option futures and kind of like I was a little bit up. Yeah, I've been doing that the past. I already I've been trading future for over a month now. So I've been trading micros. At the beginning I used to trade minis. That's how I passed my first like 8 eval. But now with my PAs, I'm only trading micros because minis are too nerve-wracking for me. I'm going slowly but steady up on futures because I'm new with that. But trading, I think trading is the same. Yeah, NQ micros. Meta, I have Meta here. I'm watching Meta. Like Meta needs to hold this I will say 324. Ideally, you want to see Meta holding 326. I think 326 is a good hold on Meta. I will wait because yeah, Meta it's definitely stronger than the rest of the market, but with the market going down, Meta could give you like a failed out break, failed breakout. But yeah, Meta is looking definitely bullish. Yeah, I got the first one this month, my first payout. But I was waiting to have like a big cushion on all my PAs because I don't want to deal with a trailing stop. I like one, the whole Google is holding 141, and I like that. It's looking bullish. Google is looking very, very bullish. Okay, so we have Feds. I think we have Fed speaking at 10:15, which can be very difficult to trade. My downside here, this position that I'm holding on my futures accounts. Um, so make sure you keep that in mind. Let's see. So no, this is old. Anybody knows at what time we had a somebody from the Fed speaking today? My Discord app on my computer is so slow. I think it today is weird to trade. We have certain stocks that are very strong, like Google and Meta, and they're holding very, very good. And we have Apple and very weak, and SPY and the Q are weak also. At the beginning, the Q was very weak. Now SPY is very weak, and it's about to fill the gap. Oh, I don't know. Speaks out too? Okay, perfect. Perfect because I'm done before that time. I'm done trading before too. Okay. So now SPY, it's about to fill the gap, pretty much fill the gap. Let me see something. Yeah, it's at support, so it can bounce here. I'm gonna start selling here because I don't. Let's see. I don't like how the Q is holding so much, even though it's looking bearish. But SPY could bounce here, so this play could go against me. So I'm gonna sell. Oops, I bought one. I'm gonna sell one, two. Okay, I'm holding three only. It is weird. It's but if I see the market changing direction, I know I'm gonna play the upside on Meta and Google because both are looking strong. Ah, he's just speaking now. Okay, so it's kind of risky here to hold anything. I'm gonna sell one more because I don't want. I'm all out. I don't want to hold here with Fed speaking. I really want to enter meta. Like I really really want to enter meta. I really want to enter meta and Google both. I like Google that Google just filled the gap that he had and he holding above that gap, which is very bullish. Yeah, that's extremely bullish. Let me see something. Yeah, if Google holding here like 141, 141.20 is extremely bullish. 141, I will say. Okay, so it filled the gap and it's holding above that gap. That's pretty bullish. Yeah, and it's flagging above that level. And same with Meta. So I'm gonna enter Meta. You guys can pick either Google or Meta. It's pretty much the same trade. Exactly the same trade. I got a 327.5 contract weekly. And I'm gonna enter Google too. Let's see. The I'm gonna get the 141 weekly also. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, Enfe is looking great. It's holding 128, and Apple is holding 178, which is good. It's fighting there, but it's holding. Very good. Oops. Okay, so far in futures, I'm only like $40 up on each account. At least I'm not red. At least I'm not red today. Let's see if we can find another trade here. I kind of want to play the upside, but I first want to see the Q like really filling this gap and going to 369. Look, Meta, beautiful. Meta's looking beautiful. What a weird day today. Pretty weird. I don't have a PT on Meta, honestly. I'm just gonna see how it's gonna go. I don't have a PT on Meta. Let's see what's the next resistance. I have 353, but that's too far. What? 335 is the next resistance, like the next strong resistance that I see. It's around 335, a little bit higher there. But also have resistance around 331.90, 332, and it has resistance right here where it is right now. So I honestly don't have a PT for Meta. I'm just gonna see how it's gonna move. 330 is not all-time high. No. All-time high is above 385, 384. All-time high is three above 384. So it's very far from all-time high. But again, yeah, Meta looks great. Google looks great. Apple also is not looking back bad because it's holding 178, but the SPY and the Q are very weak. So today is a weird day. Ooh, Nvidia is a very good level to play put, but I'm not gonna take it because I don't like how the market is moving. Don't like it at all. Mm, 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 mm. But okay, so the market is acting weird. Yeah, the Max 7 are holding the market. But okay, so the market is acting weird because it's been moving up so much that I knew like today was gonna be like most likely a choppy day because it's been up a lot. Like on 3 days, look all this move. That's a huge move. And it yesterday reject a strong resistance. So this like the best play today was entering puts at open pretty much because it was right at resistance. And even if today is red, it is still bullish because this is where like the overall trend is still bullish because it is still making higher low, higher low, higher lows and higher highs. So even if SPY goes lower, a hold of 434 is very bullish. And a daily candle like this is still bullish. It's just a retest of a strong resistance. So I don't really expect much from today unless the Fed speaker says something important and the market move with that. But otherwise, I don't really expect too much. Yeah. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Sam. Yeah, we have CPI tomorrow, but the market, we have PPI today, right? So in the market didn't really move with that. So I don't know. I like M phase. M phase looking great. M phase play is looking great. I wanna see if the Q uses VWAP as support, I'm gonna play the upside here on futures because I like how Apple is looking. Apple is looking very bullish. So SPY is 0.12% up, and the Q is 0.36% up. So not much movement today. Q stronger than SPY so far. Ooh, I like this 1 hour, but it's still, it's a lot of time to close here. Okay, if I see this 5 minute candle closing above VWAP, I'm gonna get in here. So days like today are the days when we start to getting bored and our patience start like not working and going against us, and then we start entering like poor setups trades, and that's when people lose their account. The Q looks like a head and shoulder here. Yeah, that's the best thing you can do, Mac. Not trading anything until after to nothing is moving. So I'm gonna give you a little more time till 11, which is like 20 more minutes. If nothing happened at 11, I'm just gonna end this and close my computer and go to the gym, because there's no need for any of us to be here trying to look for entries on anything. In fact, I feel like I'm over trading now with um holding Meta and Google and Face, entering Meta, Google and Face today. Okay, what is that? Okay, let's see if this 5 minute candle is gonna close like that on the Q. If closes like that, I'm gonna trade here the upside. If it doesn't run hard without me. Okay, got 2, 3. I'm gonna add more if you can close holding this resistance here, because I can see a resistance here. Also, I don't want to put too much more money in the market. I think if I get like $100 day on each account, it's more than enough for a day like today. I don't like that. Mm. I'm gonna wait to see how the 5 minute candle is gonna close. If closes weak, I'm gonna get out. If closes strong, I might add one more, just one more. I will say here. Okay. That move is so weird. Why the market is moving like that? Okay. Are we going up or down? SPY definitely is looking like it wants to go lower. The Q is it's holding a little bit better, but it's still looking weak. Okay, I'm out. Okay, so yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna keep trading here. That was stupid of me. um, so I'm down 100 10 like $92 on each account today. And I don't want to keep trading. So I'm holding M phase as long as it doesn't lose this morning low here. If it loses this morning low, I'm gonna get out. Meta, my stop loss is gonna be the support here, which is 324.90 around there. And Google is gonna be around 141. I want to see Google holding 141. If it doesn't hold 141, I'm getting out. So yeah, that's it. Very choppy day, ugly day. Um, yeah, nothing to trade here, honestly. The entry was the first one that I got stop out was to play the rejection here. That was the entry. That was the play. And I got stop out. I don't even know why. I think I need to rewatch my trade here because that was a perfect entry. I just needed to hold unless it break morning high and that's it. But I didn't. So that was bad on me. Um so yeah guys, I'm done for the day. I don't like how the market is moving. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Bye.